Alright, this is the first difficulty in Duxer's Pal. This is the first official difficulty. You can read the signs. This. Why not? These are wraparounds. These are walls that can be jumped or walked around it. Instead of electricity reference. These are speed changers. They either boost or decrease your speed. If you follow, you lose that speed. Remember at this part? Yeah, it did not exist. Had to do that. Just make it not fail.